Discover your course features with Solder UniPro. Access the Courses section, and simply click on the edit icon. Choose the courses you wish to access and save your changes. Let's have a look at the features available in the courses. You will find a course plan and many other valuable features such as legislations directly linked to the course. Videos related to the course. As you can see in this case, the criminal law introduction video. You will also test your legal knowledge with general and exam questions, which are essential features. Jurisprudence are also linked to the course. And last but not least, doctrines. Ultimately, a part of the legal portal is linked to every course in the application, facilitating your journey to success. Download Solder UniPro now and find out more.